My dear brothers and sisters, may peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. Sahih al-Bukhari, the Book of Belief, chapter 25, hadith number 35. To establish the Nawafil voluntary prayers on the night of Qadr is a part of faith. Narrated Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever establishes the Nawafil voluntary prayers on the night of Qadr out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, not to show off, then all his past sins will be forgiven. Chapter 27. It is part of faith to establish the Nawafil voluntary prayers during the nights of Ramadan. Hadith number 37. Narrated Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever establishes Nawafil voluntary prayers during the nights of Ramadan faithfully out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, all his past sins will be forgiven. Chapter 28. To observe Sawm, fast, according to Islamic teachings during the month of Ramadan, sincerely and faithfully, hoping for Allah's rewards only, is a part of faith. Hadith number 38. Narrated Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever observes Sawm, fast, during the month of Ramadan out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's reward, then all his past sins will be forgiven. Chapter 29. Religion is very easy, and the statement of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the most beloved religion to Allah is the tolerant Hanafiya Islamic monotheism. For example, to believe in the oneness of Allah and to worship Him Allah alone and not to worship anything else along with Him. Hadith number 39. Narrated Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, religion is very easy, and whoever overburdens himself in his religion will not be able to continue in that way. So you should not be extremist, but try to be near to perfection and receive the good tidings that you will be rewarded, and gain strength by offering the salat prayers in the mornings, afternoons and during the last hours of the nights. See Fathul Bari, volume 1, page 102. Chapter 30, hadith number 40. The offering of salat prayers is part of faith and the statement of Allah, and Allah would never make your faith prayers to be lost. Al-Quran 2 verse 143. For example, your prayers which you offered in the past facing the Baitul Muqaddis, Jerusalem. Narrated Al-Bara bin Azib radiallahu anhu, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to Al-Madinah, he stayed first with his grandfathers or maternal uncles from Ansar. He offered his salat prayers facing Baitul Muqaddis, Jerusalem, for 16 or 17 months, but he wished that he could pray facing the Kaaba at Makkah. The first salat prayer which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam offered facing the Kaaba was the Asr prayer in the company of some people. Then one of those who had offered that salat with him came out and passed by some people in a mosque who were bowing during their salat facing Jerusalem. He said, addressing them, by Allah, I testify that I have offered salat with Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam facing Makkah, Kaaba. Hearing that, those people changed their direction towards the Kaaba immediately. Jews and the people of the scriptures used to be pleased to see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam facing Jerusalem in salat. But when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam changed his direction towards the Kaaba during the salat, they disapproved of it. Al-Bara radiallahu anhu added, before we changed our direction towards the Kaaba at Makkah in prayers, some Muslims had died or had been killed, and we did not know what to say about them regarding their prayers. Allah then revealed, and Allah would never make your faith prayers to be lost. For example, your salat prayers offered towards Jerusalem. Al-Quran 2 verse 143. Wassalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.